Origami, the ancient Japanese art of paper folding, has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. In this video, we embark on a journey into the world of origami, exploring its history, techniques, and the beauty it brings to our lives. Origami begins with a simple square sheet of paper. With precise folds and delicate manipulations, this humble material transforms into intricate shapes and designs. One of the most iconic origami designs is the crane, a symbol of peace, longevity, and good fortune. Each fold carries meaning and intention, resulting in a graceful and elegant masterpiece. Origami's appeal extends beyond its aesthetic beauty. It fosters patience, focus, and mindfulness. As we immerse ourselves in the folding process, we find solace and tranquility in the present moment. Origami is for everyone. It transcends language and cultural barriers, bringing people together in a shared pursuit of creativity and exploration. From modular origami structures to intricate tessellations, the possibilities are endless. Origami has inspired innovations in science, mathematics, and design, proving that art and technology can harmoniously coexist. In a fast-paced world filled with distractions, origami offers a moment of stillness and reflection. It reminds us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. As we conclude our journey through the enchanting world of origami, let us carry with us the spirit of creativity, curiosity, and connection. For in the folds of paper, we discover the boundless possibilities of imagination.